These three dots in JavaScript make coding simpler, compact, and easier to read. The three dots represent the spread syntax. It was introduced with JavaScript ES6 and allows you to expand or spread arrays and objects into multiple elements. Here are some of the most popular ways it's used in JavaScript and React. The first is combining arrays. Here I have two arrays. The first is called fruits and the second is called more fruits. I can combine the contents of both arrays to create a new array by using the spread operator. The resulting array will contain all the items from both arrays. I can also use the spread operator to copy an array. Using the spread operator like this, we can easily create a shallow copy of an array. A shallow copy allows you to work with the data in the copy without affecting the original array. The spread operator can also be used to combine two objects. In this example, I have an object with some JSON data of Airbnb listings. We can easily spread the elements of the object to create a new object that has the previous data and some new objects. The spread operator is also commonly used in React to pass props to components. In this example, I have this Airbnb listing component that takes in some props and displays the values from the props. In another component, I have this props object I want to pass to the Airbnb listing component. One way of passing the props is by declaring every prop one by one and passing it to the Airbnb listing component. This works, but it can get very long if the props object has a lot of key value pairs. Another way of passing the props to the component is by using the spread operator like this. It has the same effect as the previous way and is much cleaner. Follow Uma codes for more coding tips like this.